My goal is to change the world of creativity for young individuals. Hollin interview, take one. I was given a camera for my 10th birthday, and then from there just fell in love with visual storytelling. I'm 19 years old. I'm from North Carolina. I moved to Barcelona 4 years ago to play football. My film career started at VHS. One of my friends who was wanting to apply to film school, she asked me if she could use my camera, and I was like, yeah, of course. And then I gave it to her, and then she was like, I don't know how to do this. And so then I ended up teaching her and doing it with the rest of the actors and the rest of the crew. She submitted and she got in. She showed the film to VHS and they were so excited. They called me and they were like, we want you to teach a film class. And they were like, you have 2 weeks to prepare. Never been to film school. I didn't have any teaching experience really, and so it was really scary in the sense of not knowing if I could do it. But this is my 3rd year now. My 1st year of teaching, I had students that were older than me, but it's very much approaching dynamics with a symbiotic mindset. You know, I'm here and I have experience and drive to do things and to create things. Let me share that with you. Let me help you, find your voice. Good. Education is very much the foundation of everything that humans are and that humans do. I tell my students all the time that I believe that everybody is creative. What separates people who think of themselves as creative and people who don't is that sense of self-confidence and to feel comfortable in expressing your perspective online, because it's a vulnerable and sometimes a very scary thing. And so creating an environment in which kids can feel safe to do that, and what they have to say is valuable and interesting, to me is the foundation of setting up the future generations with the most and best skills possible. Being a filmmaker, it's not a job, it's a mindset. It's something that you approach life and you see life through, of articulating what it is to be human. Find your voice. The more mistakes you make is, the more you learn. Whoever you are, wherever you come from, you can change the world. My name is Hollin Hardy, and this is my field trip.